Hey everyone, Huawei continues to impress with its lineup of portable speakers, and the SoundJoy 2 is no exception. Building upon the solid foundation of the original SoundJoy, this new iteration brings enhancements in appearance, audio quality, battery life, and intelligent features, making it a compelling choice for music lovers on the go. The Huawei SoundJoy 2 retains the attractive cylindrical form factor that made the first generation popular, but with some key improvements. The fabric covering is not only durable but also enhances grip, ensuring the speaker stays securely in hand or on any surface. The addition of a multicolored LED light ring on the top, which syncs with the music, adds a fun and dynamic visual element, setting it apart from its predecessor. This light ring also serves a practical purpose by indicating battery levels and volume, which was not a feature in the original SoundJoy. The speaker is lightweight, making it easy to carry around, and its IP67 rating ensures it can withstand dust, water, and the occasional spill, just like the original. This makes the SoundJoy 2 an excellent companion for outdoor adventures, beach trips, or poolside parties. One of the standout features of the SoundJoy 2 is its impressive battery life. With an 8800 mAh battery, it offers up to 26 hours of playback on a single charge, matching the longevity of the first SoundJoy. However, the SoundJoy 2 introduces a 40-watt Type-C fast charging capability, allowing users to quickly top up the battery and get back to their music faster than ever before. Huawei has taken the audio experience up a notch with the SoundJoy 2. The speaker system consists of 4 units, including 2 passive radiators, a 10-watt tweeter, and a 20-watt full-range speaker. This setup delivers rich, immersive sound with clear mid-tones and powerful bass, creating a balanced and dynamic listening experience. While the original SoundJoy also offered great sound quality with its DVLA-powered speaker system, the SoundJoy 2's upgraded components provide even better audio clarity and depth. The SoundJoy 2 shines in the realm of smart functionalities. It introduces the ability to connect up to 100 speakers for a surround sound experience, which is a significant upgrade from the first-generation model. Additionally, users can pair 2 speakers for stereo sound, enhancing the audio experience. The SoundJoy 2 also integrates seamlessly with Huawei smartwatches, allowing for easy control of playback, volume, and track selection directly from your wrist. The tap-to-transfer feature simplifies the process of switching music from your phone to the speaker, making it more user-friendly than the original model. Other smart features include Bluetooth calling, NFC capability, and gravity sensors, all of which contribute to a more intuitive and versatile speaker. While the Huawei SoundJoy set a high standard for portable speakers with its vibrant appearance, long battery life, and excellent sound quality, the SoundJoy 2 builds upon this foundation with several notable enhancements. Aesthetics. Both speakers feature a cylindrical appearance covered in durable fabric, but the SoundJoy 2 adds a customizable LED light ring for an added touch of style and functionality. Battery and charging. Both models offer 26 hours of playback, but the SoundJoy 2's fast charging capability is a clear advantage, ensuring less downtime between uses. Audio quality. The original SoundJoy already impressed with its DVLA-powered system, but the SoundJoy 2's upgraded speaker setup delivers even richer sound with enhanced bass and clear mid-tones. Smart features. The ability to connect up to 100 speakers and the improved integration with Huawei devices give the SoundJoy 2 a clear edge in terms of versatility and user experience. The Huawei SoundJoy 2 is a worthy successor to the original SoundJoy, offering significant improvements in appearance, audio performance, and smart features, while maintaining the robust build quality and long battery life that made the first generation so popular. Whether you're a casual listener or a serious audiophile, the SoundJoy 2 is a portable speaker that delivers on all fronts, making it a top contender in the portable audio market. Although pricing and availability details are yet to be announced, the SoundJoy 2 is shaping up to be a must-have gadget for music lovers looking for a high-quality, feature-packed speaker. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.